Hello dear friends, myself Lokesh Jarodia, working as an executive sous chef at Hotel Novotel Imagica. Today I am come with an interesting recipe. Is one of the dessert I am preparing you. That name is Apostolic 11. I am taking a bowl. I am taking 1 tablespoon of fresh cream, that is whipped. Then I will take chocolate and hazelnut mousse paste, 1 spoon, and this is the second spoon. So the ratio of the whipped cream and chocolate and hazelnut mousse is 1:2. You have to take 2 spoons of chocolate hazelnut mousse and 1 spoon of whipped cream. Now to mix it very well. The name of the dish is Apostolic 11. The reason behind putting the name of 11 because we are using almost 11 ingredients to make this final dish. Just mix the whipped cream and mousse with your soft hands to get this consistency. So one of our mousse is ready. Now I am going to make our second mousse, that is condensed milk mousse. Condensed milk mousse. This is the milk which I use for the milkmaid, and we had put in a boiling water for 3 hours. So the consistency is like that. The milk is cooked and the color is like little bit golden. So I am putting 2 spoons of condensed milk mousse in a bowl. And now I am adding 1 spoon of whipped cream in it, a generous 1 spoon of whipped cream. Again with your soft hand mix it nicely. No need to add any sugar because the whipped cream itself contains the sugar, and same as the condensed milk. Mix it nicely, slowly with your soft hands. Make sure your whipped cream should be chilled and your condensed milk should be soft. This is the final product of condensed milk mousse. I am keeping this mousse aside. Now I am going with my third mousse, that is called mascarpone cheese mousse. Mascarpone cheese mousse is made from mascarpone cheese and whipped cream. So I am taking 2 spoons of mascarpone cheese, two generous amount of mascarpone cheese, and along with that I am putting 1 spoon of whipped cream. Again with my soft hands I want to mix it nicely. Don't go so vigorously. Again no need to add any sugar in that because the whipped cream itself have sugar. You can see this is the consistency I require. So my all 3 mousses are ready now. As you can see friends, my chocolate and hazelnut mousse is ready. So dear friends, our 1 hour is finished, and now I had taken out all the 3 mousse from the chiller. So these are the final product of my mousse, which are nicely set. Chocolate and hazelnut mousse, mascarpone mousse and milkmaid. So these are nice and stiff, and now we will take the plating and we will do the final plating. So friends, now we will do the final plating of our Apostolic chocolate mousse and 11. So here we go with one of the mousse. The second mousse I am putting is hot chocolate. This I am putting it here, and the third is my mascarpone mousse, which I put in a piping bag, and I will so we'll garnish it nicely now. So I am putting some blackberries. Now I am taking some fresh strawberries. It's a kind of pickled strawberries. I am using that strawberries, nice and soft. Now I am taking some peaches. These peaches are canned peaches which are readily and easily available in the market. So now I am using some of the macaroons. So I am making here is blueberry macaroons I am using, and one is raspberry macaroons. Here the macaroons as goes, and the top with some fresh micro herbs. So here's my apostolic leaven is ready. Dear friends, please enjoy it and wish you all a very merry and happy Christmas and a prosperous new year. Thank you.